G'day! In today's video I've got a Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5 14IL05 from 2022, and this particular one I'm hopefully replacing the screen. I've made sure it's definitely switched off at this point in time, and it's going to taunt me by doing this every now and then. And with it I've got an older Flex 5 screen that I'm going to try to install. Don't know how successful this will go, but let's see where we get to. So to begin with, hopefully with the machine powered off, we want to remove the trim down the bottom here, which should flick up and out, like so. And then with that trim removed, we've got 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw. So they should come out as well. I can see a couple of pull tabs that we're going to have to use to hopefully lift this screen out. Now I'm currently got it on a heat pad. This blue thing up here, bluey green thing, is a heat pad at 70 degrees, which is heating up to hopefully soften that adhesive of these pull tabs and make the job of getting this screen out a little bit easier. But let's see where we end up. So hopefully that doesn't break for you. Just keep pulling that out. There we go, like so. Same with the other side. Just keep pulling. Bingo. Fold it over. We have a connection here and a connection here. This one here is for the LCD display, and the other one's for the touch panel. If you've got a faulty touch panel and you just want to disable it via hardware, disconnect this cable over here, which we'll do in just a second. With the tape pulled up, the latch pulled over, pull this back, and we should be out like that. Just going to tape it there, out of the way. And this one over here. Not sure the best way we'll proceed with it. Lift that tape up. Fairly stubborn tape. Tape up. Fold this over. And then push that out. There we go. That is the digitizer disconnected. Out with the old. Looking at it, connection's the same. Layout of most things look to be very similar with this one that I've already got, including at the top. Looking at the part number, different company, but we should be okay. We should hopefully be able to fold up. I'm not sure if that folded up or just lived down the bottom here. I'm going to connect the touch panel first before connecting the screen, and I'll try to install it from there. Should be able to slide this in. Should be able to line up like so. Hopefully push in. Like so. Next up, video connector. Should be able to fold that down. And slide the bottom bit under, bottom gold under the other gold. For a terrible explanation. There we go. Now from here, the next bit of tricky part, apart from I'm not putting any adhesive on here just at the moment, just because I'm in the testing phase, but I'm going to fold this up. I want the touch panel down the bottom here. I believe that's where it should be running, sitting down there. But we've got to push the top section in first. As we see, we have an image. We'll push the top section in up the top first. Make sure you clip it in here. And then from there you should be able to screw it down the bottom. This one has 2 broken tabs, so I'm unable to screw that in. I'll be able to screw it in there, and I'll be able to put adhesive on here. So I'm just going to give this screen a quick test to make sure everything seems to be okay with it. That tested out just fine. So if I pop it out from the bottom here, or actually, which way would we go? Fold it out, pull down slightly, fold this down. Now I just want to put some adhesive along these strips here. By adhesive I just mean some double-sided tape, nothing special, nothing amazing. Should be able to go along here, like so. Granted it won't have the convenience of the pull tabs underneath it to get it out, but being it's rarely broken, and also usually if you've got to get the screen out, it's because the screen is broken. It won't really matter too much. Put a strip across the top of the screen as well. As the customer did mention, they initially accidentally popped out the screen, and that's how it got broken in the first place. Now pull that off, this off, this off, connected, connected, folding it back up. And I want to go under the top here first, like so. Click, 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 push down, go, massage it around, fold this bit down, cable's in a fine spot, let's tighten up the hinge screws, these ones back in as well, even though the plastic's missing. Go along here as well, and then I just need to put the trim back on. This one, older Flex 5, newer Flex 5. Personally I prefer the older colour that they had. Should be able to fold in. There we go, one screen replaced. Hope that helps you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.